Hello, this is your pellet stove master here, and I have been fortunate enough to reproduce a problem that can occur with these Harman stoves and also many other pellet stoves that's called delayed ignition. And this is when you get some spark, but you get a lot of smoke and sometimes even a pop when the fire lights up. And it can be caused by a very dirty stove, clogged venting, and whatnot. However, if the stove is clean, the venting is clean, there is also one other cause. As you can see, it's getting smokier and smokier. This other cause is not due to a bad igniter, because the igniter is working, it does light the pellets. It's due to the Triac on the control board that's not supplying enough current to the igniter, and therefore the pellets don't light as quickly as they should. Typically the voltage for the igniter should be 3.5, well, it should be 120 volts of course, but the current should be 3.5 amps or so to light it up quickly. There you go, there's the pop, there's the smoke, and it did finally light. But in this case, the delayed ignition is really caused by the control board itself not supplying enough current. And it's easy to detect that. Just put an amp clamp on the yellow wire, go into the igniter, and you'll see it's 2.32 amps. That is your problem. It's just not drawing enough current to light the fire quick enough. So if you replace the control panel, the circuit board, that should resolve the problem.